everybody, Lizzie Golliff here, the small business owner of Live by the Sea LLC. I have here a new DTF printer. This is version 2, which arrived on Friday, and I'm finally getting around, getting this set up. I'm in my PJs because I work from home, so why the heck not? Let's go ahead, and I already cut it open. All right, very nicely packaged here. Nice, solid foam. So we've got a whole key of what comes in this, and it looks like they include a lot, like a hex key, a screwdriver, lubricating grease, all kinds of stuff. Oh, look at this box of accessories. Okay, and we'll get to what all of this is for when we get to setting up the printer. Are you watching the box? Mark, the video camera, is getting some ADD moments. All right, so you got your connecting cords here, and we'll take this into the office after we unpack this. So like I said, it has very nicely packed foam, and this is the actual printer. So comes with a booklet, quick start guide. I'll read this over tonight and get it started up tomorrow. All right. Woo! Look at this! A nice brand new roll of film. And
ink.
And ink.
It came with ink.
It came with ink. So you have your white ink, nice big bottle. This is 500 ml, because the best thing they could have done with this machine is increase the size of the ink tank, which they have. So I love that feature. You have your blue.
Cyan.
Yes, cyan, not
It's not
technically
blue.
Magenta. You have black. And then you have yellow. Okay, lovely brand new bottles of ink. Gotta love it. This is going to be your roll holder. So you put your roll of film here, and then you will put it on here. And this attaches to the printer with some screws. So they give you all the tools. That is the beautiful thing, to attach everything where it belongs. Next, we have, oh my goodness, it's so cute with a handle. It's gonna be easy to carry. Let's take this foam out.
I think we broke the foam.
Oh, probably. It's the foam. Okay, down with the foam. Now we have,
Food, snacks for later.
that is not for food.
It says edible.
No, it says silica gel, not edible. Okay, then you have your cleaning ink. We got 2 bottles of that. Very important for cleaning.
That's
your
different from what they had
printers.
before too, isn't
Well,
it?
I mean, what I have, it's the same. It was in a white bottle before.
was
Now
blue.
they repackaged it. You're right. It was a little
blue.
So reformulated. Okay, maybe it's reformulated. That's cool. So brand new DTF cleaner. Oh, and what's also cool, they do give you a second white.
Nice.
Nice, because you go through white more. Okay, so now we have this lovely package. My old one was blue. This one looks white and black, but it does look pretty sturdy. And we're gonna unpackage it. Ooh, this
Nice
has
big
a
see-through
bigger, bigger see-through cover. That's what I was just like admiring. You'd be able to see everything sliding across here. Okay, come get a close-up on this. The old printer, and this is the comparison between the D1 and the D2. This right here, 1 tells you where your colors are gonna go. White, then you have K for black, yes. C for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow, and then white. That's waste. That's maybe that's waste.
I think it's waste.
And yeah, we're gonna have to open up this part to see where the tanks are. But you know what this is indicators of when your ink is getting low. So no more guessing. This new version has ink indicator.
Do you have to guess if you're running low on ink?
No, because this says right here, when the ink level is low or the waste ink level is high, the indicator light turns red and a 60-second beep sounds. So if you hear the beep beep, that means check your ink.
That's good, especially for the waste.
And for the waste.
That
Oh,
waste.
man. I have that overflow. People, that waste. Woo!
Doesn't matter what printer, they overflow if you don't pay attention.
You gotta dump your waste like every day, okay? Every day, every day. This is a high speed, do not touch while working. Now, it has a handle. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and we'll just lift it right up here so people can see it. We ready?
Out of the plastic.
Out of the plastic.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Okay, well,
You gonna walk by?
take this plastic off, maybe.
I can't do it.
Okay, put it up one. Okay. And we'll get a close up before we take it into the office. All right. This thing is not light either. I mean,
That's the front. It looks heavier than the old one.
It is pretty sturdier. I did not take measurements.
There's a white circulation and an auto cleaning something or other on the side.
Oh, okay. So over on the back, let's check this out. This is where your roll holder is going to go on. Right here, it will screw on. You're going to have your print port where it's going to be connected, your power cable, and a power cable here. This is to pull out to get access to the inside. And your power cable goes here. And then you have a switch, a push switch instead of a flippy.
Cool.
Okay, come on over. Let's see these tanks.
You're welcome.
Another improvement, I can already tell you, with the version 1 and the version 2. To get to the version 1 inks, you had to unscrew the cover. Now, I'm pretty excited because I actually got to see this before it came out. And I got to give some suggestions. And this was one of my suggestions. It's to make the ink tanks easily accessible. So it flips open and shut. What a beautiful thing. You don't have to unscrew it anymore. So yes, you can have white, black, cyan, magenta, yellow, and then your waste. And you can see how much bigger these tanks are. The ones before were skinnier and maybe up to here, and they did not hold much. So I constantly had to dump my waste. So yes, WD stands for the waste. And then here are your sensors on each one. Right here, you'll see this is your sensor and this is your ink line. Okay, sweet. Let's see. A couple of different things I noticed already about this. It does have door open and shut, so you can access to clean it, which is very nice. I'm gonna take off this tape. Yep, I'm gonna take off that, and we can. Oh, okay. I like these doors open easier. So before it was this lid down here to get to the capping station, but as you can see, and here it's locked, so definitely it says remove this before powering the machine, but it just pulls open and shut. This is where you'll be able to slide your print head to manually clean it. You'll be able to slide it all the way over.
That's a game changer.
Well, before it had a little access door.
Yeah,
now
that's a whole big door.
This is a whole big opening door. So yes, that is definitely a positive. And I think I pushed that in. Alright, that might be a little jam, but
It's close.
It's close. Okay. This is your print bed, and it looks...
It's still in the box, the print bed and the cutter.
Okay. There we go. The print bed and the cutter. So we're going to open this up. Wow. This is hydraulic, open and shut.
Nice.
Nice.
But a nice big window, so really not too much of a reason to need to open it.
No. So this is your white ink circulation. You'll be able to adjust how much it circulates, high or low. Here's your print cable, high speed, do not touch, not working. This you do unscrew, and it's locked right now, so I cannot move it over. But to get to your dampers and stuff, you probably have to unscrew it. So we'll get to that. And then this looks like it comes.
I think it's just a base to screw in.
Yeah. So
she's chunky.
yeah, she's a good size. Like really heavy duty. Definitely looks much sturdier than the version 1. I'll go ahead and put the cutter in to show you that.
Don't fall in the box.
It is kind of a big
I'll
box.
ship you back to where this printer came.
Oh my, California, take me there. Okay.
Those are the ends for the
yes,
film roll.
this is what you would put the ends into. And even these are different shape and a heavy plastic instead of rubber. So that's the difference there. Okay. Well, I'll put them with the roller in there. So, I wanted to check out this cutter because I noticed in version 1 sometimes it would get stuck. And I want to see what the difference is with the cutters. It's different metal than before. And this is how you put it on. It goes in these 4 slots and the slides. And then, okay, yes.
Looks more smooth too, like less
It's
area to get stuck on.
right.
The print coming
This
out.
is a bigger dip than version 1, I think, and it like stays in there. It won't go, and then you just slide it.
Follows the groove instead of going all over.
Yep. So yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing. I'm gonna take this into my office, and tomorrow I'll get it all set up and show you that. Peace out.